going on, guys? This is Sal, Garage Belt. Teach you how to do a torque strut. Torque strut. It's the part number I have through O'Reilly's. You're gonna need a 14, both sides, ratchet wrench, or extension. Extension. Just an electric ratchet. My bad. First things first, break them loose. Use electric ratchet, make it faster. Take out the bolts. Get it out. Since it's a little worn out. I'd say it's pretty foodborne, guys. What do you think? Anyone else? Expect it? Ooh. Ah. Yeah. Reverse procedure. Can. Come on. Reinstall it, the bolt. Give them a good tight. I'll put the torque spec on the cam online. 30 foot-pounds. Video. And that's how you replace a torque strut, guys. Like, subscribe. Thank you.